Hello everybody. Today we will discuss problems from US Physics Olympia 2007. First round, it's called F equal AM. There will be 38 problems, not very hard, I would say middle level problems. So you just need to solve these problems for a certain time. Usually it takes for 25 problems it takes about 75 minutes to solve, but for this year it was 38 problems. And yes, usually they're giving you 5 different options for answer, and you need to solve and check which one is correct, like this. That's it. Problem number 1. An object moves in 2 dimensions according to equation representing here, where r is in meters and t in seconds. When does the object cross the x-axis? On the left side we have 5 options to choose correct one, and in this kind of problems we need to understand that we have very short time for many problems, and we need to solve them these problems quickly. So we just need to understand that crossing the x-axis, it means that this part is equal to 0. From here we can find that time t equal 2.5 seconds, and this is the solution, this one. Problem number 2. The graph shows velocity as a function of time for a car. What was the acceleration at the time 90 seconds? As we know, to find what is the acceleration in representing a moment, we just need to find what is the slope for this curve in this point. So to count what is the slope in point 90 seconds, we can just draw the line between this point 60 seconds and 120 seconds, and find what is the slope. Because on the left side we have 5 options, and we see that they are very different from each other, so we don't need to count it precisely. So acceleration must be equal to 30 minus 10 meters per second divided by time difference, which is 60 seconds. So the answer is 0.33 meters per second square. So we see that the correct answer is B. Problem number 3. The coordinate of an object is given as a function of time by x equal 8t minus 3t square, where x in meters and t is in seconds. Its average velocity over the interval from 1 second to second is, that's the question, between 1 second and 2 seconds. So we just need to write the expression for average velocity, which is coordinate in last second to coordinate in first second, and divided by time difference. So for 2 seconds we have x in 2 seconds, that's equal 8 by 2 minus 3 2 square, which is 4, and x in 1 second, that will be 8 by 1 minus 3 by 1 square, which is 5. So totally solution is 4 minus 5 over 1, which is negative 1. So that's the solution. B, correct answer. Problem number 4. An object is released from rest and falls a distance h during the first second of time. How far will it fall during the next second of time? We know that object moving with a constant acceleration, it moves like parabola, but when it's moving from rest, the formula is h equal 1/2 g t square, which is quadratic to time. So it means that if we need to count what distance it travels during the same period of times, it raises as arithmetic progression. So if it's going for the first second, it's going for distance h, next second will be 3h, third second will be 5h, etc. You can find it using this formula. So it means that correct answer is C, 3h.